Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to create new write tasks from Google Sheets. So what we actually want to do here is that whenever a new information is added in our Google Sheets row, a new project, a new task get automatically generated in our Rikes project. Alright, but the problem is there is no direct connection between Google Sheets and Rike. So to make this connection happen, I am using a software called as Pavli Connect. And the best part of this software is that you do not require any coding knowledge or programming skills. So any non-technical person can also do this. And here I'm using for now Rike to connect with Google Sheets. But if you want to connect any other task management software like Asana or Trello to your Google Sheets, you can also do that following the steps I'm going to tell you. So first of all, let me show you a real-time example of how this process is going to look like. So here you can see my Google Sheet and here you can see my Rikes account, and here I've created this project called as integration. So let me jump to my Google Sheet and fill a new information here. Here you can see two columns. First is the title and second is description. These are the two things we need whenever we create a new task in Rike. So let me fill this row, and I am filling here short film. Alright, so this is the title, and in the description I am writing let us make a short film. Alright, so as I fill this row here, let me jump back to my Rike account and let's see if it generates something. Okay, here you can see a new task get automatically generated in my Rike's account just like this. All right, now you might be wondering how I managed to do this without any manual steps in Rike, right? So just let me show you how it's done. So here are the three easy steps by which you can create this integration that I have just shown you. So the first step is connect Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets with the help of webhook URL. So the first thing is you have to come here on Pabbly Connect and you have to generate a webhook URL which we paste in our Google Sheets and connect it with Pabbly Connect. Second step is collect task data from Google Sheets in Pabbly Connect. So after connecting these two applications, which is Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, we will fetch the data required to create a task in Rike from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. Step 3 is send the same data to Rike for creating a task. So our third step would be sending the data which we have fetched from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect, and we'll send this data to Rike to create a task. So these are the three simple steps. Now let me show you how we're going to do that. So our first step would be to open our browser and type pabbly pabbly.com. Alright, so this is the website of pabbly.com, and from here you have to come to this products option and find this connect button and click on this. Alright, it's taking some time. Now after clicking on connect, you can sign up for free here and set up your account in just 2 minutes. I have already done that, so I'm just clicking on sign in. So as I signed in, you will see this window, and from here you have to come to this panel and click on access now button. So after clicking access now, you have to, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here you have to create a workflow first. So click on create workflow, and You have to name your workflow first. So I'm naming it as Google Sheets to Wrike. All right, so just click on create. All right, after this, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect's automation works on these two things, trigger and the action. So trigger says when this happens, action is do this. So first of all, just click on this trigger and from the choose app, select your application, which is Google Sheets. Here it is. So after selecting your application, choose your trigger event. So as in our case, a trigger event is a new spreadsheet. Now it generated a URL. This is called webhook URL, which I have talked about in the steps. So you just have to copy this URL and go to your Google Sheets. So here it is, my Google Sheet. And from here, you have to go to this add-ons button, click here and click on get add-ons. So when you click get add-ons, this type of window will open, which is called Google Workspace Marketplace. Here you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. So as you see, this type of application will open. So you have to install this application, which I have already done, so I do not need to. So I'm closing this, and after installing the Pabbly webhooks application, the important step is to refresh this page. This is very important step, guys. Remember, please do refresh your page after installing the application. So after refreshing, just click on add-ons and you will see this Pabbly Connects webhooks option here. And from here, you have to go to this initial setup. After clicking on initial setup, you have to paste the URL that you have copied from here, which is webhook URL. You have to paste this URL here. And in the trigger column, you have to enter the name of the last data entry column of yours. Let me show you. My last data entry column is the B column. Your column can be anything, C, D, E, or F. So my column is the B column. So I am just go to initial setup and let me just fill the B here. So I am filling B and this is the webhook URL that I have pasted. Now let's just click on send test. All right, so you can see test data sent successfully. Now let's jump back to Pabbly Connect and let's see if it has fetched something or not. So it is waiting for the webhook response. Now go back to your Google Sheet and just click on submit. After that, you have to do one thing. Go to the add-ons, go to Pabbly Connect's webhook and just check this send on event button also. This is an important step. So I'm clicking that also. All right. So we are done connecting our Google Sheet with our Pabbly Connect, and it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means when you have to enter some data in your Google Sheet that it can fetch. So let's fill something like I'm giving a title as integration. Let me just, so integration it is. And in the description, I'm typing let us integrate our process. All right. So we are done filling the data here, and now let's see if Pabbly Connect captured something or not. Here you can see Pabbly Connect have fetched this data from our Google Sheets, right? So this is the data that fetched from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. Now our next step would be this action button. Just click here, and from here you have to select Wrike as your choose app. Alright, after that you have to select the action event, which would be create a new task. So I am selecting create task and just click on connect button. From here you have to click on this add new connection and then connect with Wrike. So after clicking connect with Wrike, this window will open and it will ask for a few permission. You just have to click on accept. Alright, so authorization is successful and we are connected to our Wrike account also. So after that, these type of fields will open below down here, and from this select project folder field, you have to select your project of Wrike. So this is my project. Here I can show you in the my Wrike account. In the projects and folders, you can see this is my project titled as integration. So this same project you can also find here in this drop down menu, which is integration. So just select this, and in the title you have to map the data which came from Google Sheets. Alright, so you can see in the title, you can map the title. This is the exact same data that Pabbly have fetched before here. So you will find this same data here also, and just map this data in the title. Just select title, and from here you can maintain your task status. So if your task is active or completed, deferred or cancelled, so I'm just selecting active for now. In the description, just map the description from here, which is this. In the importance, you can mark the importance of your task, if it is of high importance, low or normal importance. So I'm just clicking normal here. And from the assignees field, you can assign the people who can work on that task. So you can assign multiple people from here like this. But for now, I'm just selecting my name. All right. After this, just click here, save and send test request to check if it is working properly or not. All right, so you can see it is showing a response like this. And so we are done with Pabbly Connect automation here. We just completed the process. Now let me show you here. A new task is generated, the name of integration and automation. So let me show you uh, a quick recap what we have done here. So in the trigger option, we selected Google Sheets as our application and generated the webhook URL and pasted it in my Google Sheet. In the action button, we select Wrike as our choose app, and we select the action event as create task and map the data. So this is how it's done. So let me show you the demo again. It is my Google Sheets. Now here I am filling this title as animation, right? And in this column, let me fill new animation project. All right. So I am done filling this here. Now let's switch to our integration Wrike project and let's see if it catch something. All right, you can see a new task with the name of animation is also generated here automatically. So this is how it's work. And this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration which is not available readily on Pabbly Connect, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries from this forum and check the pricing of this software from here and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.